Kia ora. Here we are at Wellington International Airport. Apparently I've got to hold this. We've had a roller coaster of a morning. We checked in with Mitch. It's a Virgin flight, but obviously it's co-chair with Air New Zealand. So Mitch from Air New Zealand checked us in. He was wonderful. So shout out to you, Mitch. You made a great start to Wellon's birthday weekend.
Thanks to our mate Mitch at check-in. We got the seat next to us empty, guaranteed. So, Catherine's in the aisle. I'm here. Got a beautiful sunset coming through, sunrise coming through. Pretty happy. How you feeling, Mrs. Kenny?
Yeah, good.
So, the trains have been replaced by buses just about in the city. And there's quite a bit of confusion about which bus to catch.
And where to get it from.
Yeah. So still waiting, trying to figure out which bus to catch. It's a bit confusing, is what I'll describe it as. How you doing? You seem...
I'm tired, I need a shower, I'm hot, I want a coffee, I do not want to have to keep walking up and down missing buses.
Would you like to catch an Uber? Welcome to Eagle Pier. So, Catherine, you're my tour guide. Just really walk us around. What are we seeing here? What appears in front of us? Appears in front of us.
Over there.
This is what I always have to do for Instagram. Got the shot, guys. We got the shot. Okay. So apparently, there's a free white and red boat that's going to take us to, was it Southbank? And we're going to check out some of the markets and stuff over there. So, are you ready for the catchphrase, Mrs. Kenning? She said very quietly, let's check it out, but normally there's more excitement. Put together as part of some expo ages ago. This is Southbank. How are you feeling, Mrs. Kenning?
Ooh, I didn't have my sea legs.
But now you've got your sea.
Therefore, I didn't have my river legs.
No.
Started feeling a bit ooey spewy.
Yeah? But now you've got your sea legs? Well, it's cute around here. So it looks like, look, you got a little tunnel over there. Got some people on scooters, that's fun. Catherine and I are going to have a Pim's carafe together. Is it pronounced carafe? Who knows?
That's correct.
Are you sure?
Should Google it.
I reckon it's carafe. If it's carafe, man. So, I was watching this ad and it's this New Zealand dude who was talking about being a consultant, and he was telling people to find their niche, and I was like, do you mean niche? Oh no. Yeah, but that doesn't say how you pronounce it.
Yes, it does. Down underneath. Rat. Can you see where it says it?
Ka-ra-fey.
Heck. It's ka-raff. Not carafe. Yeah, but do you, when you say you want some steak, do you say you want a steak fillet or a steak fillet?
And I love croissants.
One thing I just think is like it makes a lot of sense, but it's super weird, is there's kind of like a fake beach by the river. So here we are in Southbank. And this is the fake beach. Like it's legit. You take your shoes off and there's sand. So like I'm in the sand. There's also some cigarette butts. And then there's like some water. Let's check it out. It's so strange. And then, like and if you look at like the river's like brown. Catherine tells me there are bull sharks in the river. And then the water is like kind of light blue. It's actually very nice. It's a very reasonable temperature. So there's a pretty famous artist called Yayoi Kusama, and we're gonna go check it out. Some people have a phobia of dots and circles, and I feel like this painting could really kick off that phobia. But this one's really, really nice. I like it. I like the pattern of the dots. It's confusing, but it's cool. So, a friend of 2 Minute Travels called Keely, she went over to Japan, and there's an island, I forget what it's called, but it's got some of this artwork on it. The pumpkin that's made of dots. So, Naoshima? Pretty sure it's Naoshima Island. So if you want to see some of this artwork in the flesh, and this must be the original one, done in 1981. It kind of inspired all the rest of them. This one's called Sex Obsession. So Mrs. Kenning, what did you think?
2 thumbs up.
You're a fan?
We checked it out.
You did check it out. Everything was made of dots. It's my simplistic view.
Dots and faces.
Dots and faces, it's true. There's this one that you can stick your head into, and it's like sticking your head inside a kaleidoscope. That was pretty cool.
Shall we get the bag and go check out the gift store?
Okay, bye.